Hey yo, it's your boy Kevin Rwanda and I'm back with another Shandis and this is the Blue Podcast.
I'm about to take
And
that chance.
this is another segment where it's called Flu Talks by Fetabo. We're going to bring an aspiring young artist from my area because I'm still in my area with my people. So we're going to be like yapping for like 5 minutes, telling us about his or her journey on whatever he does, just to get to know people, and just to have something that I can do meantime, since you can see what's in my podcast with Apumanga. But then I could tune in our friends, so go and check us out now there on YouTube or Facebook or everywhere my platform is told and your support is highly like appreciated. Ngakhohlwa subscribe like bafethu nisho futhi ukuthi ngithanda. But then we are here with Flu Talks bafethu. Yeah, it's a platform where we go to give young aspiring artists from Emandeni bafethu. You can see I'm starting off in my living room. Maybe we can move somewhere else. It's going to be like different created and I'm using my father's phone for now. But yeah, Flu Talks is about just like hearing from young people because young people deserve to be heard too. About just giving an opportunity to people who are disadvantaged, about like coming where I come from. About we can see with people just need a platform, so going to try by all means to do that to give them the platform. But then, as you all know, with me, I never disappoint when it comes to doing interviews. So I'm going to make sure with I'm consistent. Sakala to yeah. I'm going to send us. I'm going to bring the same vibe from a podcast to here. Yeah, and tell you all about my plans. There's something I'm planning actually. There's something I'm planning, so stay tuned, my friends. Stay tuned. We're going to be on Twitch in the next few months. I will still trying to fix that. I will try and buy a new phone. I will, yeah. So yeah, I'm promising you all consistency now. But since we have our own like space where we can like enjoy our own like create our own world. Yeah, but just give people a chance. I know you're going to tune into it. Please, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. For those who want to know what is Ngatola about Flu Talks, you can find them below. Go YouTube. Yeah, go to YouTube. You're going to see there, to search Flu Podcast. Yeah, I'm going to be distributing there first for now. Yeah, but first, since we are under like so I'm going to use that platform just to distribute it. I'm a Flu Talks. Yeah, if it's inspiring topics, if it's fun conversations, jokes, just hearing from people what they have to say. 5 minutes Flu Talks. Nothing much, nothing less, but then it's something dope. Remember that. Nothing much, nothing less, but it's something dope. You see me? That's the code, that's the part. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, my friends. Going to be a big year. Going to be a big year. So much in store, my friends. I'm thinking about creating a match. So let's continue supporting the boy, my friends. Siyazama naye friends. Hayi kuzohlangana bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu for a person who stayed this far to this video. Yeah, ngoba ngisho nje sikuningi okuzayo nama-interviews adope azobe khona. Shout out. Danko. It's your boy Kevin Rwanda.